I'm Chef Mike Moses, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a really nice appetizer, or it could be a lunch, or it could even be a meal. I'm going to make easy shrimp summer rolls with a peanut hoisin dipping sauce. And that's all coming up. Thank you very much for joining me. I do hope you like what you see. If you do, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and maybe hit the notification button for notification when I upload a new video. Like I said, I do that every week and I do it just for you. Homemade spring rolls with some easy peanut dipping sauce. It's not going to be that hard. This is my first time making it, but on the suggestion of one of my friends online, he said, you know, you should try those. So that's what we're going to do. And here's what we're going to need for our spring rolls. We're going to need some julienne vegetables, some carrots, peppers, cucumbers, romaine lettuce, purple cabbage, some basil. As well, for our peanut dipping sauce, we're going to need about a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. The recipe says smooth. I say crunchy because that's what I like. And we need a tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and some sweet chili sauce, or maybe some sriracha, or maybe a hot sauce or some pepper, something that you might like, and some warm water to thin it out to make it into a nice dipping sauce. Okay, as you can see, I have my ingredients here, and it's time for the mise en place medley. The mise en place is done, ready for the rice paper rollers. So let's get that ready. Going to roll these on a plastic cutting board, not a wooden one, because the rice paper will stick to the wooden cutting board. So let's get that ready. And remember the trick I showed you about a cutting board that will slide around. Put some damp paper towel down and you'll see nothing moves. All right, so I went to the grocery store and I got some rice paper. It is round. And you'll notice that it's quite hard. Not very pliable at all. It would probably break if you were going to roll up your spring rolls like that. So the instructions say the following. Put in some water, so I use a big pan with water for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull it out. Let it drip, put it on our board, and now we will start building. So we want the romaine lettuce on the bottom, some purple cabbage, a couple of peppers, carrots, and we'll put another white carrot there. We want our shrimp, and we want 2 shrimps, which is actually 1 shrimp there. And now we just roll it like a burrito. Take your rice paper, roll it over, bring in the ends, and you want to roll it fairly tight. And there, 1 shrimp summer roll. Tuck in the ends, make it look pretty, and put it on your plate. We'll do that again. Rice paper goes into the warm water. Another spring roll. I'm just going to keep doing this till I have 5 or 6. Of course, the key to making everything look pretty is to have everything cut just about the same size. Then when you roll it, just like a burrito, you want to tuck everything in underneath your paper and roll it up. And there you can see the shrimp and the basil and all the vegetables and their goodness are ready to be served. Okay, now that the summer rolls are done, we need to make our peanut sauce. And to make that, we're going to use a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Personally, I like crunchy. 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sweet chili sauce is what I'm using here. You can use sriracha, you can use whatever you would like. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water right now. Mix it all up. And you want to keep mixing it until it's a nice consistency in terms of color, because you have to break up the oils in the peanut butter. All right. And a little taste. That's really good. Let's get something to pour this into. And if you want to get fancy, you can put a couple of peanuts on top. I use crunchy peanut butter, so my peanuts are already in there. And a little dipping spoon. Right on top. So there, just for you, some summer rolls with the peanut dipping sauce. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I post videos like this every week, so please subscribe. Also, if you'd like more information, head over to my blog, thepersonalchef.blog, where I post this recipe that you can print off. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to helping you cook better, eat healthier, and shop smarter.